If your grill keeps stalling out, this is probably why. You're dumping your coals too early and they're not even ready. Let me show you how to stop killing your heat before the cook even starts. You light the chimney, wait 5 to 10 minutes, see some smoke, and figure you're good to go. But the second you dump it, your grill temperatures won't climb. Now you're fighting to sear and your cook's already behind. That smoke you see, that's not heat. And that flicker of flame, that's definitely not power. You dumped the chimney too soon and your coals weren't fully lit. If you see thick smoke and no flames reaching the top of your chimney, it's not time to dump. That top layer of charcoal is still black and your fire's struggling to breathe. If you pour those coals into the grill now, it'll be like trying to sear with a wet match. Look for these 3 signs to let you know your coals are ready. Flames reaching over the rim, a light ash starting to form on top, and a strong red-orange glow coming from the bottom layer. That's your go time signal. And here's a bonus tip for you. Check the smoke. By the time your coals are ready, the thick white smoke should be gone. You're looking for a clean, light wisp of smoke or no visible smoke at all. That's your final confirmation. The fire's burning clean and hot, and it's go time. If you're not sure, don't guess. Give it 5 more minutes and watch for the signs. Flame height, light ash building, and the glow from below. And trust me, patience now prevents problems later. Showing on these coals right here, it's go time, baby. That's go time. Now, if you've already dumped your charcoal and the grill still feels cold, here's a quick test for you. Hold your hand about 6 inches above the grill grates. If you can stay there for more than 5 seconds, your coals definitely aren't hot enough yet. The fire's not ready to cook. If you've already dumped your chimney too early, don't panic. Here's what I want you to do. Leave the lid off and let oxygen finish the job. In 10 minutes, that fire should bounce back strong. This falls under fuel control law number 1 of what we call the fire balance system. Lighting charcoal isn't about guessing or waiting a set time. It's about watching the signs and reading the fire. Once you get that down, your grill starts working for you and not against you. Want to master your fire and grill with total confidence? Grab our fire management guide. It shows you how to set up, control, and adapt your fire on any grill. We've had some amazing grilling pictures sent in recently, and I love seeing what y'all are cooking up. When I see pictures popping like this, I don't even have to do a taste test. I already know that brother got skills on the grill. If you want a chance to be featured in one of our upcoming videos, send in your best grilling photos and include your YouTube handle name, and you might see them in an upcoming video. Our email address is in the description below. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process. Here's a bonus tip for you. If your grill tends to lose heat too fast, try this. Mix in a few chunks of lump charcoal when you dump the chimney. Lump catches fast and burns hot, so it gives your fire a quick boost up front. Just know it won't burn as long as briquettes, but it can help stabilize things early on.